Hey everyone, welcome back to the train room. Artisan Pirate, and in this edition of the train room, I'm going to be showing you guys another HO scale train set that I have. This was the very first train set I picked up at my very first train show back in April of this year. It's amazing how far things have come along for me with the trains and the train room and everything. But when I went in the door, I seen it was in its original box, and I was very happy to pay for it. I went on eBay after I got it, and this set is currently going for between $60 and $70. I happily paid 30 bucks for it. So really cool. I'm going to show you the set now. It is the Varney Mighty Midget scale model train set. And on the cover here, it's got the excited child ready to play with his new train set. It's got a tank engine, 2 cars, and a caboose, and it says it comes with the track and the power supply. Now the power supply did not come with this, and I really wasn't worried about that because I have like 5 or 6 of those for the HO scale stuff laying around. But I'm going to take the lid off of it, and please bear with me, I'm not going to stand it straight up. I don't want the stuff falling out. But you can see there is the loop of track, which is a small oval, the 2 cars in question, and the caboose, and it came with 2 saddle tank engines. But that is really cool, and the man that I picked this up from said he put a second one in here because he knew one of them ran great and the other one needed work. I'm happy to say that I've got both of them working, and I'm so happy to have 2 little tank engines on the train loop. But really cool. What I'm going to do is move the camera down to my current train loop, get the trains on the track, and we'll get rolling. We're going to start by getting the cars on the track. Getting a little better at doing it without that 3D printed re-railer. I guess the more I mess with the HO scale stuff, the better I'm getting at it. Got those coupled, get the caboose on. And for its age, the caboose is in very good condition. None of the rails are broke on it or anything, which is a common issue I've seen at the other train shows I've went to. The smokestack will be popped off or a rail will be missing. That was in great condition there. Alright, now I'm going to show you the little tank engines that came with it. Both of them are 040 saddle tank engines, and they both have a lighted headlamp on the front. They both go forward and backwards. Now, this is the one that ran when I got it. This is the one that I repaired, and it is a very rough runner, and it runs very loudly. I don't know what the cause of that is. I do know if I look on the internal parts of this one, the one that was working has a plastic worm gear for the driving mechanism, and this one has a metal on plastic gear. So I don't know if that adds up to the sound or the roughness of the way it rides, but what I am going to do is put it on the track to show you guys that it does work. It's very loud, and we'll bring him back down. We'll put the one that we know runs good on the track, and I've took both of these up to the Mebane train display and got them thoroughly cleaned and lubed, so I know that they have the proper lubricants and everything. Oops. Back it up here and connect it to its train. Didn't connect properly, so I'll connect it by hand, and away it'll go. Stop it there right beside Thomas. But really cool. Great to see that this older set is still running great after all these years, and I will take care of it for years to come. Let me move the camera one more time and we'll wrap up the video. And that is the Varney Mighty Midget train set from the 1970s, and I'm so happy to see it still running great. I will properly maintain and service those two trains as long as I can and as long as I'm able to keep them running down the tracks great. Again, that one is a little bit rougher of a rider, and I'm going to probably have it on like a static display on the train layout, maybe off in a siding by itself or backed up in a shed to where it can still be seen by people. And the one that I showed you going around the loop today, that will be the one that I use more often, and I will occasionally maybe double head them to pull a little long freight train just for some dramatic shots for post and all. But really, really cool. I'm having so much fun in the train room with the adventures and all I'm doing with the trains and everything in the post, and I thank you guys for sticking with me and bearing with me and indulging in my train hobby with me. Always remember, main series woodworking videos, what I'm known for, will always be posted on Mondays, and videos like these or of my other interests like the trains or Hot Wheels or something like that will always be posted on a Wednesday. That's about all for this one. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias as well as ways to contact me will always be linked in the description box below. That's about all for this one. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.